Mocha? Mocha? Go inside. Okay. Hello everyone, it's been a while. I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm sharing my weekend trip where I spent the night in Canmore, a town right next to the Banff that everyone knows. If you want to enjoy the Canadian Rockies without the crazy crowds and expensive hotels in Banff, I highly recommend checking out Canmore. If you haven't been yet, make sure to watch this video. So let's check it out together. Just like downtown Banff, Canmore also has paid parking. The town has lots of souvenir shops, cafes, great restaurants, and even dog-friendly spots.
바람 불고
Let's go. Let's go. Mocha. There's also a Roam bus that makes it super easy and convenient to get to Banff. Now let's make a quick stop at Quarry Lake in Kenmore. Right next to the parking lot, there is an off-leash dog park, and this spot is one of the most visited places in Kenmore. I personally recommend visiting in the summer rather than in the winter. You will be seeing fairy tale-like views. Let's head to our accommodation. We stayed at a cabin-style place called Parkgate Charlotte in Kenmore, and it's dog-friendly too. So we plan to meet up with one of my friends and her dog, Udon. One of the biggest advantages of staying in Kenmore is that accommodation is more affordable than Banff, and many places come with the kitchen facilities, so you can cook your own meals. This cabin is one of those places. Let's take a look inside. It's small but has all the essentials in the kitchen, including dishes, a coffee maker, a kettle, dish soap, and even an oven. There is a small dining table and chairs, a large windows, and a fridge. If we want to use a fireplace, there is an extra $10 wood charge. A small TV and a hair dryer in the bathroom are also provided. Our room had 2 bedrooms. One thing to note is that there is no daily housekeeping service, so keep that in mind. Now we are heading out for dinner. We went to the fusion-style restaurant called Blake, and honestly, everything on the menu is amazing. I highly recommend their black burger. Mocha is here. Our mocha and udon. Mocha and udon. After returning to our cabin, we had a cozy tea time and spent a relaxing night. The next morning, we headed to the brunch cafe.
Small.
Oh, it's a small place.
For three.
The interior was nothing special, but the food was delicious.
Yeah, it looks yummy.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
After brunch, we made our way to a hiking trail in Kananaskis, where we enjoyed a Sunday walk with our dogs. I will leave links to my other Canmore related videos in the description box down below. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. And if you haven't been to Canmore yet, I highly recommend visiting. It has so much more to offer than you might think. Thank you for watching today's video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!